Imagine bringing your photos to life, like literally talking. Virbo's latest features let you transform any headshot photo into a talking avatar. Stick around till the end for a little bonus you won't want to miss. To begin, visit the Virbo web app using the link in the description. You will get 2 minutes of free credits to experiment with the magic of creating your own talking avatars. Once you're on the homepage, hover over the avatar video feature and click Create Video. Select your aspect ratio and hit Create to enter the new and improved Virbo editing suite. On the left side, you'll find all the essentials tabs for editing, such as templates, avatars, backgrounds, and more. Navigate to the Avatar tab on the left, and you'll see 2 options: video avatars and photo avatars. These ready-made avatars are great for various use cases. Since we're focusing on turning your photo into a talking avatar, click on Photo Avatars. Next, hit Create My Avatar, where you can either create a unique AI avatar from scratch or upload your own image. Select the upload option and click Next. Once your image is uploaded, type in the text you want your photo avatar to say and choose the AI voiceover. Virbo's text-to-speech feature offers a variety of AI-generated voiceovers to match the tone and vibe you're going for. If you have your own audio file, no problem. Simply upload it. Finally, when you're happy with everything, hit Export in the top right corner. Virbo will generate your talking photo avatar in just a few moments. Once it's ready, you can download it and share it wherever you like.
So, why choose me?
And just like that, your simple photo is now a lively, engaging, talking avatar. Remember to like this video and hit that subscribe button because who knows what new features we will unlock next. See you in the next video.